Hi, dear students, I am here with a new mathematical problem. Problem is 6 divided by 1 by 6 multiplied by 6 divided by 1 over 6. So it is seeming difficult, but it is very simple. We will apply PEMDAS principle. In which first of all we will solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, add, then addition and subtraction. Remember that if multiplication and division are in the same question, we will apply functions of division and multiplication from left to right. We will prefer function on left side first. So here we will prefer this division because it is on left side. So apply KCF rule, keep, change, flip rule. So 6 division is converted into multiplication and flip it. It is 1 over 6. If we flip it, it will become 6. And there is no change. 6 divided by 1 by 6. So it will become 36 multiplied by 6 divided by 1 by 6. Now we will apply PEMDAS principle from left to right. So first of all we will solve 36 multiplied by 6. So it will become 216 divided by 1 by 6. Now again we apply KCF. KCF stands for keep, change, flip. So we have to flip it and it will become 216. Division is converted into multiplication and flip it. So it will be 6. After multiplication, we will get 6 multiplied by 6. It will become 1296, which is our answer. Thank you.